Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about how to configure the drop down menu in HTML. So here this CSS drop down menu is used to create a drop down list from where the user can choose an option. So here in this class we will add interactivities to web page by using the CSS drop down menu with CSS positioning and the display properties. So here in this program you can see in body section of this program I have configured this unordered list. First of all, I have configured this unordered list, and in between I have configured this list. This one is the first option, this one for the second option, and in between I have configured the another unordered list to make the drop down menu. After that, this is for the next menu, and with that I have configured the another drop down menu, and this one is the last menu, and this one is its drop down menu. So these here I have configured these list or unordered list to configures a drop down menu that looks like a navigation list. So here to decorate or to add the styling to this menu list, we have added the CSS styling. So here I have designed the CSS styling here in the CSS program. So in first here I have configured this UL, that is the selector, and its the declaration part I have configured its list style, that I want the list style to be none. So here I have configured it none because I don't want to style the list by adding the circle or square or any other mark. After that, I have added the padding to the list and its margin. So this UL selector will apply to the whole menu. After that, coming to the next part, that is ULLI. So this is one for to create how to display these unordered list and the list in between. So here I have configured its list display property, that is I want to display it in a block, and after that I want to add a float property to float the container on the left side of the browser. After that, coming to the next part, I have added the border having 1 pixel size and solid, and its color is gray. And coming to the next part, I have configured the list and unordered list selector. I have used this selector, and I have used here use this display property and configure it to none. Same way, after that I have configured the unordered list and A, that is the anchor selectors, and these properties will apply over whole menu. The text decoration, padding, white space, color, so these all properties will apply over the whole menu. After that, to make the hover, to add this hover property to the list, or whenever we move a mouse over to the menu, the list will appear. For that we have to add the hover property, and with that I have configured its color. So its color changed to yellow, and after that I added the display. I want to display the list in a block, and I want to add the position to be absolute position. After that, I have added the float, that I want to float the menu to the none. After that, again I have added the background property to yellow to anchor. So these all properties that are listed here are configured in this program by using the link element. So in link element I have added the relation attribute, that is style sheet, and the hypertext reference equals to this file name. So let's see how it will be configured in the browser. For that you have to go to run and click launch in Chrome. So it will configure like this. So you can see that I have configured this one list, that is home. After that I have configured the telecommunication courses, after that IT courses, and at last I have configured this contact. So coming to its part, as I click over this or hover the mouse over it, it will open the drop down menu. So as I hover over to these drop down menu, the color of this drop down menu will also change. Same way, if I go to this IT courses, its color also change. The drop down list color will change as we hover over to this list. Same way, this one is the last list where we have added the send query and the ask us questions. So the change in color or hover, as we hover over these lists, these are added here in this CSS program. So this is all about how to add the drop down menu, CSS drop down menu property in HTML. Thank you.